guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the 5 money mistakes that almost every college student makes. कॉलेज लाइफ में हम सब पैसा स्पेंड तो करते हैं बट वेरी फ्यू पीपल एक्चुअली लर्न हाउ टू मैनेज मनी एंड ऑनेस्टली योर फाइनेंशियल फ्यूचर डज नॉट डिपेंड ओनली ऑन हाउ मच you earn but also on the habits you build today. So in this video we will talk about 5 money mistakes that almost every student makes. If you avoid these mistakes early, you will be way ahead of most people financially. Mistake 1: not tracking your expenses. The first mistake is spending money without knowing where it's going. कभी कॉफ़ी, कभी ज़ोमैटो, कभी स्विगी, कभी ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग, और हमें लगता है कि 100-200 रुपये में क्या ही हो जाएगा. बट दीज स्मॉल एक्सपेंसेस एड अप वेरी क्विकली. For example, if you are spending just 200 every day, that's around 6,000 a month and 70,000 a year. So instead of asking where did my money go, start tracking your expenses. You don't need fancy apps, even a single notes app or a Excel sheet can do the job. Mistake 2: trying to look rich instead of becoming rich. Let's be honest, कॉलेज में peer pressure बहुत होता है. New iPhones, branded clothes, expensive cafes. Sometimes we spend money just because everyone else is doing it. But remember one thing, looking rich and becoming rich are two different things. आज लोगों को impress करने के लिए जो unnecessary spending करोगे उसका regret future में हो सकता है. Instead of buying things to impress others, invest your money and energy in things that actually add up value to your life. Mistake 3: having zero savings. Many students think अभी तो इनकम ही नहीं है, सेविंग बाद में करेंगे. बट सेविंग इज़ंट अबाउट हाउ मच मनी यू सेव, इट्स अबाउट बिल्डिंग द हैबिट. चाहे 500 सेव करो या 1000, स्टार्ट क्रिएटिंग एन एमरजेंसी फंड. The earlier you develop the habit of saving, the easier it becomes to manage money in the future, because emergencies don't come with the morning. Mistake 4: depending completely on parents. There's nothing wrong with taking support from your parents. After all, they work hard for us. बट अगर कॉलेज के 3-4 साल पॉकेट मनी स्पेंड करने में निकल गए और हमने कोई स्किल या एक्सपीरियंस डेवलप ही नहीं किया, देन ग्रेजुएशन के बाद थिंग्स कैन बिकम डिफ़िकल्ट. ट्राई इंटर्नशिप्स, फ्रीलांसिंग, कंटेंट क्रिएशन और लर्न हाई इनकम स्किल्स. Even if you are earning a small amount, the experience that you will gain is priceless. Mistake 5: not investing in yourself. This is probably the biggest mistake. हम entertainment और shopping पर पैसा खर्च कर सकते हैं, and when it comes to learning new skills, books, courses, we think twice. But the best investment in your 20s is not necessarily stock or crypto, it's yourself. Communication skills, Excel, financial modeling, public speaking, or any AI tool or any skill that increase your value will give returns for years. So guys, college life is not about showing that you are rich. It's about building habits that will make you rich in the future. If you avoid these 5 mistakes, you will already be ahead of most people of your age. Let me know in the comments which mistakes you think is the most common among students. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.